Man, people really fail to realize that February is the best month for sneakers. We got All-Star Weekend, so you know they dropping the best hoop shoes. Then they got Valentine's Day, so you can go ahead and rock some pink and red shoes with your boo. Then we got the Chinese New Year, and that's why you see this dragon across my KD box. So if you're not too familiar with Chinese New Year and how it works, their New Year is kind of celebrated the same way how we participate in horoscopes. So how we have like Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, all that stuff. Instead of using those signs, they rotate with animals. And so this year for them, it's their year of the dragon. As you can see why it's on the box. And the year of the dragon basically represents like strength, courage, being a great leader. So if you didn't know, that's the fact of the day. But another fact that a lot of people don't really know, and that's why you can see and like why this box is kind of wooden right now, is because they there's another added to this year's their Chinese New Year, and it's the wood element. Now I don't really know the full detail in that, but that is why this box is wooden, if you were curious. So that actually just transitioned us straight into the unboxing. But before I get into that, I do want to say that I want to give this pair specifically retail. Just wait till the end of the video and I'll explain why I want to give this away. So without further ado, we can get straight into the unboxing. So we kind of already talked about the front of the box. We have the dragon going through the KD signature logo with the Nike sign on around. And then again, this gold accenting all around is just super nice. I'm pretty sure it's going to match the shoe as well. And then on the side, obviously, you have Kevin Durant's signature. Now, I did get this from the Better Generation. Shout out to Houston. Shout out to PJ Tucker. This was really the only way that I was able to get it. People that I usually get it from, they said that they only got one of each size. So it was really limited, so I couldn't really get my hands on it. I didn't hit on sneakers per usual, and this is one of the websites where I clicked on it and I was good enough. However, as you can see, it's a size 8. So yeah, I didn't get my normal 13s and stuff like that, but it is a men's size, so it's all good. That's the reason why I want to give it away, because I don't really have anybody that wears a size 8. I'm usually doing like 12 and up. So if you guys are interested for a size 8 for retail, just comment down below and we can get something worked out. So with all that said and done, this is the KD4. Colorway is a khaki / noble red / sesame. It's a size 8 and the color code is FJ4189-200, man. And I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw the detailing of the shoe, I knew it was gonna be limited. But the thing was, I couldn't really tell because the Ja Morant's, the Chinese New Year Ja Morant's that recently came out, I thought they were going to be limited as well, and they weren't. They actually sat on the Nike website. But these flew, but again, it's a KD4, one of the best models that KD has made, and it's a newer model with a lot of detailing that has never been released before. So with that being said, we can open up, and oh my God, that's crazy. I was not expecting, is this like a tote bag? Okay, so they put the shoes, but before we even get into the bag, I feel like this box is just like super detailed. Like this is like one of the few boxes that like I just want to keep. Like I just feel like this is just like a wooden box that you just keep like precious items in. But nah, that's crazy. So far we off to a good start, man. The box is good. And then I don't even remember, bro. The material on this bag is crazy. It's like a real soft silk. Like, that's crazy. It feels really good. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to keep this bag. But nah, if you want it for retail, man, I'm gonna throw the bag in there too. So, on the bag, again, you just have the same thing that's on the box. The KD Dragon going through it. And again, I really like how they did that. This is actually tough. I guess it's not really a unboxing since it's an unbagging. Take them out together. So, I think they're both individually wrapped in the tissue paper, just in case for like shoes like this that come like really detailed or something like this. Even though it's a basketball shoe, so I doubt it would be a lot of fakes. But in this day and age, you can never be too careful. You can just follow like what this is, because you know, just say they didn't come individually wrapped. That could be one way to dignify that, you know, they're not fake. So in it's not a reversible. So it's just the left and right foot. So we're gonna unwrap both of these. Yeah, 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 these the ones. Oh yeah, we got a lot to discuss. We got a lot to discuss. I don't know, I'm gonna wrap them up after this video. So this right here is the KD4 Year of the Dragon, and off rip, like the colorway, I really like it. I like this like grayish tone that goes into this cream, and then you got this like, I guess like a darker cream, kind of like marinating into like that orange side on the bottom of the sole. I really like that. Then obviously you have the signature KD4 strap. Again, just retro vibes. And then you have the brown laces going off right there. KD signature logo on the tongue. Again, I just like how they're asserting these colors with the brown and the cream. I really like that. The dark brown, again, matching like that wood type of color. Then you got the cream going around it, so that's pretty cool. Then right here, this is obviously gonna be like the best feature. That dragon wrapping around the Nike swoosh. That's just tough. Again, that's something like you would make on like a custom shoe. Like, that's so crazy. And then actually it goes all the way around through it to the KD. And oh my god, I miss this KD lot, man. This is like, this just gives vibes, but it's nostalgic, but it's new because we've never had this before, and I really like this. I like how they, because with a lot of companies now, well, not a lot, just like Nike and Jordan's like them, they try to like remake some stuff that they know we love. So they'll get the most popular model, right? And they're like, oh, well, they love the KD4, they love the Jordan 1. Let's just go ahead and give them a spin-off. But it's like, bro, they give us the worst thing. But I feel like they did a very good job of keeping true to the KD4. They didn't do anything too crazy. They gave it a very good colorway, a very cool and calm colorway. The details on it are amazing. There's other details on this as well. And we're also going to check out the insoles. I'm going to take those out in a minute. But, man, it's just, you can't really complain about this. So the other detail that we have is this right here. Now I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, culturally appropriate, but because I don't really know what this is, but I have seen it in Chinese culture and like Chinese movies. I don't really know exactly what it is, but as you can see, you have the KD logo on it. If I find the name of it is, I'll put it on the screen. But I also think that's a dope detail. It's attached to the laces though. So I don't know if you would really want to keep it on, to be honest. I don't really know how to work, because I know like once you get to unraveling them, it's gonna come off. So maybe you just keep it as a collector's piece. So yeah, that's it. I love these KD4s, man. These are amazing. Now the thing about this is like they were super limited. Resale is just terrible. They're basically at retail on all platforms. And honestly, I don't understand why. I don't see no complaints about the shoe. No one was really able to get it, even though I wasn't even able to get like my right size or anything. It's kind of crazy. I think it's just because we're kind of like in a new era, because it's like last time the KD4s came out, right, we were rocking them with jeans. It's 2024. There's no way possible why we're gonna be rocking our basketball shoes casual with jeans, man. So it's because the new generation isn't hip to this. Maybe, you know what I'm saying, it's only like a select few of people that really want it, that's like resonate with it. Because again, it's a basketball shoes that they're retroing it. Like, we're not kids anymore, you know. We're not going to the park to go play basketball. We're not, you know what I'm saying, we don't got middle school tryouts, stuff like that. So that might be a reason why the resale is kind of low. Again, even for like the KD4 Galaxies that are going to come out, the resale is already doing very low, but they're super limited. So it's kind of hard to gauge. But this one right here, honestly, I think with the really good detailing and how limited it was, I think it would be really nice to just keep this on ice for a minute. And me personally, I think the price will go up a lot over time. Again, this is the first Year of the Dragon shoe. KD4 is arguably the best KD that has came out. Let me know in the comments if y'all agree with that. Me personally, I think it's either the KD4s or the KD6s, honestly. Just because of the hype that the KD6s just had their own era, but the KD4s I think are the best ones in general, man. So yeah, man, that's right here, the KD4 Year of the Dragon. Let me know what y'all think about this. And I might actually do another video where we go around and we start asking people how do they feel about this? And also, if you're wondering basketball performance wise, I don't know how they. I know the technology is basically still the same back then, but obviously new and improved. And I think that when I had the KD4s, I think it was a good performance shoes. Honestly, KD in general, all of his shoes except for maybe like there was like a period of time, I think it was like maybe like 11 through 13 or something like that, where he kind of like lacked off in performance wise. But especially early on, I think that's kind of what he focused on. So performance wise, it'll be good. But I actually am going to do a separate video where we go out in the public and we're going to ask people what are their thoughts on the KD4, so y'all just don't have my opinion. And we're also going to try and find some hoopers and get their input on it as well. So let me know if you'll be interested in something like that. But that's it for this unboxing. If I were to give it a rating from 1 to 10, I'll probably give it honestly a 10. This is something like I would go crazy for. I really love the detailed piecings to it. It's insane. The color combo is great. It's not doing too much. I think everything blends together. The detailing is amazing. The storytelling is amazing. The accessories are amazing. And this is what, like, this is like stuff like this. You're not you know what I'm saying? Like 5-10 years from now, you're not going to be able, like when you see this, bro, you're going to look at this and like, yo, like, where did you get that from? People aren't going to remember stuff like this. So that's why I say just get something like this. Just keep it on ice and you'll do good if you're trying to plan on reselling this. So don't focus too much on the resale prices right now, because I truly do think that they skyrocket, man. But yeah, that's it for the video, man. I give these a 9.5 out of 10. Honestly, probably just a 10. Probably it's a KD4, and they did everything right. So let me know what y'all will give it a rating in the comments down below. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.